Exploring the musical journey of Matt Schuster. From classroom to center stage, ever wondered how Matt Schuster became a music legend? His journey from obscurity to stardom is a tale of passion, talent, and relentless determination. Let's dive into the story of this extraordinary artist and uncover his rise to fame. Meet Matt Schuster, the maestro behind your favorite tunes. His music transcends time and genres, captivating listeners worldwide. With a unique blend of soulful melodies and heartfelt lyrics, Matt has carved out a niche that resonates deeply with fans. From a small-town prodigy to a global sensation, Matt's early years were marked by an insatiable love for music. He honed his craft in local talent shows and small gigs, slowly building a reputation as a musical genius. The song that catapulted him to fame overnight was a heartfelt ballad that struck a chord with millions. Its raw emotion and relatability made it an instant hit, launching Matt into the limelight and changing his life forever. A countdown of Matt Schuster's chart-topping singles reveals a collection of timeless hits. Each song showcases his versatility and ability to evoke powerful emotions. His greatest hits continue to dominate playlists, proving his enduring impact on the music scene. Matt Schuster's music stands out with its unique blend of genres, combining soulful melodies with contemporary beats. His knack for storytelling through lyrics captivates listeners, creating an emotional connection that resonates deeply. Each song is a distinct journey, showcasing his versatile artistry. Fans rave about Matt Schuster's ability to evoke powerful emotions through his music. From heart-wrenching ballads to uplifting anthems, his songs strike a chord with listeners worldwide. Testimonials often highlight how his music has touched their lives profoundly. Matt Schuster's discography is a testament to his evolution as an artist. Each album reflects his growth and experimentation with new sounds. His impressive collection of work not only showcases his versatility, but also his commitment to pushing musical boundaries. Matt Schuster's live performances are nothing short of legendary. Whether it's an intimate acoustic set or a grand stadium show, he consistently delivers unforgettable experiences. His energy on stage, combined with flawless vocals, leaves audiences in awe and craving more. Behind the scenes, Matt Schuster is known for his down-to-earth nature and genuine interactions with his team. Stories of his kindness and humility abound, painting a picture of an artist who values every member of his crew and cherishes their contributions. Matt Schuster's unique style is a blend of influences from iconic artists who shaped his musical journey. Drawing inspiration from legends like Bob Dylan and Prince, he crafted a sound that resonates deeply with listeners, paying homage while staying distinctly original. Beyond the music, Schuster's awards and accolades are a testament to his talent. From Grammy wins to Billboard chart domination, his shelf is adorned with trophies that showcase his immense contribution to the industry and his enduring appeal. Collaborations have been a cornerstone of Schuster's career, bringing fresh energy to his work. Partnering with artists across genres, he created unforgettable duets that captivated audiences and demonstrated his versatility and willingness to innovate. Schuster's impact on the music industry is profound, redefining what it means to be an artist in the modern era. His innovative approach to songwriting and production has set new standards, influencing countless musicians and reshaping industry norms. Outside the studio, Schuster's philanthropic efforts reflect his commitment to making a difference. He supports numerous charitable causes, using his platform to advocate for change and inspire his fans to contribute to meaningful initiatives, proving his heart is as big as his talent. Matt Schuster's closest friends often share warm stories of his kindness and generosity. Whether it's late-night jam sessions or impromptu charity concerts, Matt's circle speaks fondly of his down-to-earth nature and unwavering dedication to both music and his loved ones. The genius behind Matt Schuster's hits lies in his meticulous songwriting process. He often spends countless hours perfecting lyrics and melodies, drawing inspiration from personal experiences and emotions. This dedication to his craft is evident in every unforgettable track he produces. Fans adore Matt Schuster for his memorable moments. From surprise acoustic sets to heartfelt interactions during meet and greets, these experiences create lasting bonds. These top fan favorite moments showcase Matt's genuine connection with his audience and his passion for sharing his music. Matt Schuster's influence on new artists is profound. Emerging talents frequently cite him as a major inspiration, crediting his innovative sound and authenticity. His impact on the music industry ensures that his legacy will continue to shape the careers of future musicians. Excitement surrounds Matt Schuster's future projects. With hints of new albums and potential collaborations, fans eagerly anticipate what's next. His evolving musical journey promises to keep listeners intrigued, showcasing yet again why he remains a dynamic force in the industry. Matt Schuster's social media presence is a masterclass in fan engagement. He shares behind-the-scenes glimpses, exclusive previews, and personal moments, creating a genuine connection with his audience. His active interaction with fans fosters a sense of community and loyalty. The visual artistry in Matt Schuster's music videos is unparalleled. Each video is a carefully crafted narrative that complements his songs, enhancing the overall experience. His innovative approach to visuals has set new standards and captured the imagination of millions worldwide. Matt Schuster's touring history is a testament to his dedication to fans. His memorable tours have spanned continents, bringing his music to diverse audiences. Each show is a unique experience, marked by high energy, spectacular performances, and unforgettable memories. One of Matt Schuster's standout qualities is his versatility. He effortlessly masters various genres and styles, from pop and rock to jazz and classical. This adaptability not only showcases his immense talent, but also broadens his appeal across different music lovers. Matt Schuster's live performances are legendary, known for their electrifying energy and emotional depth. He connects with the audience, creating an intimate atmosphere even in the largest venues. His ability to captivate and engage makes every concert a memorable experience. Matt Schuster is not just a musical genius, but also a fascinating individual. Did you know he has a secret passion for culinary arts? He often hosts private cooking sessions for close friends, blending his love for music and food seamlessly. His impact on music education is profound. Matt regularly conducts workshops and masterclasses, inspiring young musicians worldwide. His dedication to nurturing new talent ensures that his influence will be felt for generations, fostering creativity and passion in aspiring artists. Matt's lyrical themes often revolve around love, resilience, and self-discovery. His songs resonate deeply with fans, offering solace and inspiration. The emotional depth and authenticity in his lyrics make his music relatable, creating a lasting connection with his audience. Interacting with fans is something Matt cherishes. He frequently surprises them at meet and greets, leaving lasting memories. Stories of his kindness and genuine interest in their lives abound, solidifying his reputation as not just an artist, but a friend. For more captivating stories about legends like Matt Schuster, subscribe to the Music Educator YouTube channel. Stay updated with exclusive content, behind-the-scenes footage, and in-depth interviews that celebrate the artistry and passion of the world's most beloved musicians.